Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you are watching Technical Spark. Today we are going to do unboxing of this little monitor. This is 4K IPS monitor guys. From quite long time I am waiting for this monitor, but today finally it's here with me. It is very strong with the specification as well as the price, but that I am going to reveal at the end of this video. And if you check out here, it's a ASUS TUF gaming monitor with IPS screen and the model number is VG28UQL1A. Friends, this is one of the best monitor in this segment as per my case study. Hence I decided to get this. If you check out here are some information about this monitor, that it has 4K with resolution 3840 into 2160, 144 Hz refresh rate along with the eLMB sync as well as HDR compatible, and it supports AMD FreeSync. So if you have AMD graphics card, then it can support that, and if you have NVIDIA graphics card, then it has the NVIDIA G-Syncs available. It's provide you 1 ms response rate and a 90% DCI P3 along with the HDMI 2.1. If you check out the printed price here, then it's almost 85,000 is the printed price of this monitor. But no issue guys, I will tell you the exact price of this monitor, at what price I have purchased in here in Pune location. So without further ado, now let's do the unboxing. This is HDMI cable. Now what is next? Here's the display cable, and all those things are branded. Third, we have Thunderbolt cable. Here is a power socket. And another thing is, here is some manual guide which is actually waste for me, and how to connect. Here is one USB power supply. If you are in US, then you can use this connector, and if you are in India, you can use this one. We'll open it later. Okay, now let's do the happy birthday for this. The sticker is sticking very well. And guys, here is our monitor. Here it is. Here is our brand new monitor guys. Let me show you. It has the port. Hopefully you all guys are able to see this. If not, let me turn this down. Here are all the ports, and this is the stand. Okay, now I have removed all the sellotapes which are connected to my stand. Let's open this buddy, and here you go. This is your stand guys, where exactly the mount of this monitor is going to stick around, and it has one beautiful screw. It just, now let's connect this. Okay, the installation is very easy. We just have to move this and we are done. Now here is our monitor. Now let's slide this. And here we go. Let me try to just pull this up. This is how you can slide this monitor up or down. There is no option available to tilt this, okay? But yeah, if you want, you can just pull this up, and then if you want, you can move the way you want. This is how it looks from the back. And at the front, it's quite heavy, guys. Now let's see, friends, what are the cables we are going to use in this particular monitor. Friends, as per your country, ASUS is providing 3 power cables. So as per your country, you can choose appropriate one which is going to connect on your power socket. So personally, I feel that this one or this one can easily fix into my power socket. So let's try that. It can support up to 250 watts. So let's untie the cable. And it's very small, guys. Okay, the next thing we are required is power adapter. And here it is. This is how the power adapter look like. So the 3 cable which is provided by ASUS, you can connect any one of them to here, so that it will give the power supply to your monitor. Now friends, here we have Thunderbolt port as well as the display and HDMI cable. But in my scenario, I am going to use the display port. So let's go with this. The cable is very much stronger, guys. It's not like other cables. If you see, the width is too good and it's very much strong. Okay guys, now my monitor is connected. Friends, now I have connected all the cables and power supply. So now let's start the PC for very first time. Let's wait to start this up. We have to press the power supply button to start the monitor. Let me play one of the 4K video. So guys, the quality is really awesome. It's not hurting your eyes, because earlier let me pause this. Guys, the quality is very awesome. Earlier I was using TN panel monitor, which was very much hurting to my eyes, but when I compared the quality between the IPS, between TN or IPS, I really recommend, guys, if you are working for a very long time on the PC, then go with the IPS. It will never feel you stress or eye pain. Just go with this. Now friends, very important thing, the price which I paid for this monitor is 70k in local store, but after seeing the screen, I'll say it's completely worth it. You will never regret for what you have paid. So for this monitor, thumbs up. After this video, I'm going to test lots of things on the screen to see how exactly it's perform. And if I found any issue, then I will definitely report to you guys, but I'm pretty sure that it will work seamlessly, because my 2 friends are already using this monitor and the experience is awesome. Guys, that's it in this video. I hope you have found this video useful. If so, please click on the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.